Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the rig and scene so animation behaves predictably. Import your model, confirm scale and orientation, then apply a consistent unit system. Once done, create or bind a rig with clear FK and IK handles and set pivot points on joints. This prevents surprising rotations later. Make sure to freeze transforms and lock channels you don't want keyframed. By establishing a clean base, you save hours of troubleshooting during blocking and refinement. You now block the primary motion by placing the main key poses at critical frames, using stepped tangents to avoid interpolation. Focus on strong silhouettes and readable body language so the intent reads at a glance. This is why timing matters. Adjust key spacing for weight and momentum. Once the pose set feels right, scrub and play at your target frame rate to validate spacing. Make sure to isolate major controls to speed iteration before smoothing curves. You finish by refining and polishing. Convert stepped curves to spline, smooth tangents, and add overlaps and follow-through on secondary parts like hair and clothing. Then address facial and hand nuances with microkeys. Once satisfied, bake or export your animation to the target format and test it in the engine or compositor to verify playback. If something breaks, check skin weights, constraints, and key interpolation first. Often a single lock channel or bad weight causes the worst artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.